So here I am in one of my favorite outfits doing one of my favorite things. You don't need to know who I am because Lord knows if you're getting this and you're coming to my page, you know exactly who I am. So instead, I'm just going to let you know that I'm going to be recording a few quotes about nature and the importance of nature. And this one comes from Buckminster Fuller, a man that you should look up. His thinking is phenomenal. He was the person who actually told the world that we could end hunger. And by the way, regardless of what you hear in the news, we have ended hunger. We could actually produce enough food to feed all 8 billion of us, even if that number makes me unhappy. But there's geopolitical reasons why maybe people are starving. That's a separate subject. Nature. This is what Buckminster Fuller says about nature. Nature tells us everything that we know and everything that we don't know, and all the things that we think we know that we have no idea that we don't know. Now, that's not a direct quote, but you get the feeling. Get out in nature. It's one of the things that you can do to inspire yourself. And this is how lucky I am. This is the kind of nature I get to be in. But wherever you live, find a flower growing through a rock, see it, be inspired, and then think about what is it that I don't know that I should be paying attention to. Have a beautiful day. Thank you.